Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome to this week's thrifting video. So before I take you inside the store, I'm quickly going to drop off this small bag of donations right here. So the first thing that caught my eye on this particular trip were these two beautiful vintage lamps that I spotted in the corner. They were asking $18.99 a piece for these, and I thought they were gorgeous. They were pretty tall lamps, and I think these are going to look amazing in somebody's house. So these were definitely my favorite item on today's thrifting trip, and let me know what your favorite item was down in the comments below. I always enjoy reading everybody's answers. So now I'm just going to walk around and look at some more home decor, and I will share with you what I purchased at the end of the video. So I came across this random little Pure One box and I was curious to see what was inside of it. So let's open it up and take a look. So the last thing that I wanted to share with you before we go into the restore really quickly is this book of shoes that I found on one of the bookshelves. And it was a history of shoes. It had a lot of different shoes from different time periods and different countries. And I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would flip through it really quickly and show you guys. And now we are in the restore. I have been getting into a habit of popping in here every week because I am on the hunt for a new light fixture for my dining room and also a vintage vanity. I didn't find either of those items today, but I will continue the hunt, and in the meantime I will share with you what I did see in the restore while I was looking for those items. So now I'm going to share with you what I ended up purchasing today. So I found these glasses here. They're just Libby glasses. Some of them were marked 99 cents and some of them were marked 89 cents. I'm not sure why, but I ended up getting them for 89 cents a piece, and I ended up getting 6. I have broke a lot of glasses in the last month or so because I'm pretty clumsy, and I needed some more, so I thought these would be perfect just for everyday use, and I have them here in my cabinet. So while I was looking in the book section, I came across these random vintage DC comics. They were all from like 1983 to 1984, and they were 69 cents a piece. I know nothing about comics, but my daughter Hannah really loves these vintage ones and she likes the graphics on them, so I FaceTimed her to see if she would like any of them, and she picked out one, and she's going to show you the one she picked out and where she put it in her room.
So my mom got me this comic, and it's this girl, but I don't know who she is, but she kind of looks like Jem from Jem and the Holograms. And if you know who she is, please comment down below her name and her power. So we're gonna put this on my nerd shelf in my room. So yeah, it's really cool though. I really like it.
So Hannah actually has 2 nerd shelves in her room. This is one of them, and this is where we decided to put the comic. It kind of blends in with the color scheme, and we thought it looked pretty cool here. And that is everything that I found on this particular thrifting trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to go out and go thrifting, because you never know what you're going to find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.